To be honest, I don't know what that word means. So it's really creamy. Duh. Alright you guys, it's time for another new makeup Monday. This is my series I post every single Monday where I either try new makeup, try a new product, do product reviews, talk about new makeup like a will I buy it, like will I buy it or not, or do an anti-haul kind of thing, just all things new makeup. And I post this every single Monday. I also have a playlist where you can check out all of my past videos. I've done this a few times. I really am enjoying the series. I hope you are as well. Today I am testing out this bad boy. This is the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. I did use just the blues to create this look obviously, but I can't wait to test out the rest of the palette. But I will be using the blues in this palette today. Anyway, before I get into it though, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I upload 3 times a week. Trying new year goals. I promise you I will upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but until then, please bear with me. But anyway, you could also follow me on all of my social media, mainly Instagram. That's where I've been doing all of these creative looks like this. You could see them in action. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this eye look, then you can just keep on watching. All right, so here is my box full of goodies. I'm so excited. It came in a huge box because I don't know, I ordered a bunch of things on like for Black Friday stuff. So obviously the main event here is the Fade into Hue palette. I'm so excited Colourpop came out with something like this. I've been waiting for them to come out with something like this. I know that they did have like another rainbow palette full of single shadows. I never got that one. I don't know why. I really wanted it, but I just never got it. But this I'm really excited to use. But I'm gonna be probably going in with a lot of blues today because I'm trying to do like a Christmas theme look, winter theme I guess it would be. And the reds, I mean they're not really red, it's more like pink. I really like that there's like a lot of pastels in here, but there's some bright colors. I love the pressed glitters. I know a lot of people don't, but I just really do. I don't know what it is about them. I really enjoy them. But I'm also gonna be doing like a really creative look, but I do just want to use the shadows and just test out the shadows today. I also got the liner roll, I think is what it's called, like the cream gel liner roll that comes with this collection. It's a bunch of pastel liners. I definitely want to use, I don't know, this blue doesn't seem like so blue. It seems more like purple, right? Like purple blue. I don't know. I might just go in with the white, which I think I own another one of these I have already used. By the way, my nails have never been this long ever, so this is exciting. I got them done yesterday. Hopefully they don't break before Christmas. This is my Christmas set. Probably my set until my birthday, which is at the end of January. I'll probably swatch the entire row of blue since that's what I'm going with. That way it'll help me figure out exactly what shades I want to use. This is the palette. Isn't it so stunning? Like, look at how beautiful it is. I haven't even swatched any of them, but isn't it stunning? I'm obsessed. As you can see, I already have my face makeup done, by the way. This is a full face of Colourpop except for my under eye powder, which is the Charlotte Tilbury, because I just really can't use anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch at least the blues. I would swatch the whole palette, but that's just gonna take way too long. This shade has a ton of glitter, but like I feel like it could be considered a matte. I'm gonna start from the top and just go down like that. Ooh, that is stunning. This is a pastel blue. What's wrong with my voice? Ooh, that has a lot of fallout. This is the pressed glitter. Ooh, I am obsessed. I might put that in the inner corner. Oh, that looks so stunning. I don't know why people don't like them. This is probably gonna be my lid shade. Yeah, that's really pretty. Or this one. I don't know, because it has shimmer, but it's also like matte. It's a really interesting formula. I really like it. The first time I ever saw a formula like that was Tati Beauty's palette. By the way, miss Tati so much. I'm so sorry that I am the world's worst swatcher. As you can see, they're not that great swatches, but like everything looks really great. I also swatched this cream gel liner. This is the shade Prance, I think. And it's that one. I don't know if it's really gonna match. Like, you know how there's different hues of blue? Like, I don't know. I feel like they need to match a little bit better. It's not gonna be a truly monochromatic look because there's different hues, like I said. Today is my 4-year anniversary, so I also can't take too long because we're going out to dinner, and I'm really excited because we haven't been out to dinner. Well, not true. We've gone out a few times. Restaurants are like kind of open here. Like, things aren't too bad here, to be honest, but like we always try to like be cautious. We don't go too often. We order in mostly, but today's our anniversary, so we're making the exception. I'm really excited to go out to eat. So the first shade I'm obviously going to take is the shade Iconic, which is like cobalt blue. Oh my gosh, that blue looks stunning. This is one of my favorite hues of blue, to be honest. It has a lot of fallout, so I'm going to go in with a light hand so I don't get too much fallout on my face. And I'm just going to stamp it in my crease. Just lay it down first and then I'll blend it. So this is actually not as pigmented as I thought it would be. Interestingly enough, I thought I would have a little bit more pigment. It does have fallout, but it's not like crazy amounts. Usually the more fallout, the more pigmented it is. So I feel like it could definitely be a lot more pigmented. I don't know, like it just seems kind of dull, like lacking a true base for some reason. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Morphe M506 brush and just take a little bit more on it of the same shade and just blend out the outer edges and see if that helps the pigment somehow peek through. It is a little bit patchy when I'm doing that. Wow, this is a bummer. Hopefully it's just that shade that is a little weird, because it would be a shame if this palette just wasn't up to par. I do enjoy Colourpop shadows for the most part. I've been dying to try this. It's been sitting here for like a week and I just haven't gotten around to it, but I'm not sure about this. Sadly, I think it's a little bit patchy, this shade. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is Take It Easel, which is this light blue right here. I think I might go in with more Watermark later and see if that helps, even though it does have that glitter, but it might help make it seem like there's glitter in my crease instead of like making it seem like it's super patchy. I love this pastel blue though. Like, it is such a gorgeous, oh my god, that's blending out so nicely. Okay, it might be redeeming itself, I hope. I wonder if I should have started with that shade. It is a really nice shade. Yep, it's definitely helping the patchiness. Oh my gosh. Also, I'm not using like anything different like technique wise. This is like what I always do, so nothing's different here. And I'm a huge fan of Colourpop shadows, so that one kind of surprised me there. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of Iconic. I just want it to be a little bit deeper. This is stunning. Yeah, so the Iconic shade is definitely what makes it patchy. I am going to cut my crease, and that's probably where I'm going to cut it, where there, you can see there's like a line and then a gap and then another line, and that's where it's patchy, basically. You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Watermark. I'm scared, because it has glitter, but oh, that's pretty. You know what? I'd rather it look like I have glitter in my crease than it look patchy in my crease. So I'm actually really happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and take these same shades I took in the crease on my lower lash line. I forgot. I usually don't do my face makeup first, so I forgot to do them. That first blue might not be a winner, but I think I figured out how to make it work, which makes me happy. I always use products, even if I like have issues with them. I always try to find a way to make it work, so nothing really ever goes to waste around here, because that would be really sad. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with my P. Louise base and a little bit of concealer before I do. I actually took a cotton swab the other day to do this, and it actually works so much better, but it's very wasteful. Like I use like at least 3 per eye. For the lid shade, I'm going to take the shade Hot Copic. How do you say that? To be honest, I don't know what that word means. Am I uneducated? Anyway, I'm going to try to take it without setting spray. Usually these work pretty well without setting spray, but sometimes you gotta add that setting spray to just make it pop some. But no, this is really pretty. It has a bit of a duochrome, kind of like a silver shift. It's so pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Iconic and Watermark. I'm gonna mix them together because why not? And I'm gonna put them on the very outer part, just blending it together so it's not such a harsh line at the end right here. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take the Kaleidoscope shade, which is the glitter shade. I'm obsessed with these. I don't know why people don't like them, but like they're so pretty. I'm just like a huge fan of glitter. A lot of people are not. I hear people complaining about like all the glitters that come in Colourpop collections. Like when they come out with the Glitterly Obsessed in a collection, they're like, why? And then the pressed glitters they're not a huge fan of, but I absolutely love them, and I think they just add so much to a look. So I'm really happy with this shade right here. It's so pretty, right? I love it. So I'm gonna take the cream gel liner in the shade Prance, and that's gonna go in my waterline, of course. Let me just wipe away some of the fallout. The formula of these is insane. I have really watery eyes, and these last on me like no other. The pigment is insane. I'm obsessed. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do the little look I'm gonna do for Instagram. It's gonna be like a whole painting kind of thing. And I'll be back and I'll do some lips because I do have the, I think this is the lippie, what is it called? Lippie stash or something. It's literally like every single lippie sticks. Not really. I mean, there's not like every shade, but I'm gonna go with like a nude today. And there's a bunch of reds. I actually have some of the reds I've been using lately. And I've been using like a couple nudes as well. But I'm gonna come back and talk to you about those. And I'll do some lips and talk to you about my final thoughts. Although I can tell you right now that I really like this palette. It ended up turning out really nicely because where I cut my crease was where it was being patchy, but I tend to cut my crease a little bit higher than my actual crease because I have hooded eyes slightly. I can't wait to try more of this palette. I definitely want to do maybe like a palette bingo would be a lot of fun with this. Let me know if you want to see that. There's a lot of options here. I can't wait to use it more. So far I really like it. It's super affordable. Like I got this on sale when it was on sale, when they had their Black Friday sale. They always have sales on their palettes. Like, I mean, not always, but like you can find a good discount, and if not, they're pretty affordable to begin with anyways. I will be right back in probably a couple of hours when I'm done figuring this out. So I am back and it's been many hours, but I finally finished. I just had to post on Instagram and do some other stuff while I was finishing up this look, so that takes some time, but I am back. I'm gonna do the lips now. Like I said, I got the tub full of the lippie sticks. No, these are not lippie sticks. They are the lippie pencils. As you can see, there's a bunch of them, but I chose this one's BFF. It's just like a really nice nude, but I've been using it. I think I used it like yesterday for my look yesterday, which when you see this will be a few days ago, but whatever. I'm a huge fan of the formula of these. They are really creamy, so if you like more of a hard pencil, this is not the one for you. They also seem like they're a twist top, but they're not. You have to sharpen it like normal, like a normal pencil. Over that, I'm gonna take the lippie sticks in Aquarius. This is like literally my favorite nude ever. It's been for years, and I believe this was a collab with Kathleen, and I just think these two together, amazing lip combo. I love the formula of this one. They have different formulas in their lippie sticks, but this one is a cream, so it's really creamy. Duh. And it just feels really good on the lips. But yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this look that I created. Let me know if you want to see more creative looks like this, like on my actual face, like actually doing it. I just get so distracted. Like sometimes I'll even be doing TikToks and I'll forget that I'm doing a TikTok, and then I'll have to go back and like redo it. Like it sucks like so much. I just forget. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I also hope you'll consider subscribing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Recorded video will be saved to your camera's memory card. Go ahead and test out the stuff. Oh, I have to clean my makeup brushes. Let me do that real quick. Spot clean.